stewed chicken and white rice. Guys, now my stewed chicken, I will put a so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to season up the chicken and put on the swag. So I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to just cut up some season. You understand what I mean? So stay tuned and watch what I do. Yeah, guys, I'm going to put some chicken down. You know, I'm going to I saw some people and they just nasty. You can talk to them, then do the one thing over and over. You understand what I mean? So, guys, right now, I'm not like to tell me, you better off for me there right now. I'm welcome for you. Leave me. You not like to tell you. And the landlord come like say, him and the youth, I see him think I you nasty, and the girl nasty, and I see him think the landlord, she uphold with the same thing. So me, I say, she had the same thing. I understand all these, yeah, you know, like to tell her. All of them are the same thing, nasty, I'm not like nasty people. Yeah, guys, so, me see it up my meat, when I go to do now, I cut up some skeleton on time for me. Yeah. I'm gonna see what I'm going, so just stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, so I season up the chicken now, so what am I gonna do? I go light up the stove and see my baked bean. Yeah. I go drop a baked bean in it, guys, and I go see what I go on another brown stew chicken here today. Brown stew chicken and pumpkin rice. Yeah, brown stew chicken and pumpkin rice. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. So what I go do now, I go light up the stove, put in the oil, make it pot go on hot, and show you what I go on. So just stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, so you see what I go on in the pot, I put some sugar to go and burn. You understand what I did? Guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen today. That one I go bother. Brown stew chicken and pumpkin rice. Yeah, so what am I gonna do now? Make that go on burn peel some pumpkin and you understand me, I did peel up some Irish going on my chicken said we, so stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Guys, look on the sugar. Sugar burn, you see that? Yeah. Sugar burning, burning, burning. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna throw in my chicken and I'm gonna see what I go on, yeah. I'm gonna put in my chicken now. So watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, watch what I go on in the pot. You see it? Yeah. Pot I cook. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna peel 2 Irish. Yes, me 2 Irish, then I'm gonna peel my Irish and my pumpkin. The pumpkin of the rice, the Irish of the chicken. So I'm gonna just peel up them and make you see what I want. So watch what I go on in the kitchen, guys. Be a bad thing. Yeah. Guys, look at this. Yeah, I put in the Irish. So what I'm gonna do now, cover him up, make him go and fry out little. You understand, brown and them thing there, just you catching color already. So I just give a couple more minutes and then I put in my water and you will see what I go on, guys. So just stay tuned. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour the water inside of my pot. You understand all these, yeah. Yeah guys, just guys, the one I go bad. Yeah. My brown stewed chicken, my pumpkin rice. So guys, what am I gonna do now? I go make this one cook. Just watch what I go on in the kitchen, guys. And you go see what I go on. Just stay tuned and watch what I go on, yeah. The one I go wicked. Yeah guys, so see what I go on. Yeah. Yeah guys. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna make it go down. And when it go down, when it go down, we just put in the baked beans. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on. Also, see me rice, me pot with the pumpkin. So I'm gonna put my rice in this. I cook pumpkin rice and brown stew chicken. So see pot I go on boil, yeah. Water start up hot already, so you don't know anything set up. So guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a brown stewed chicken and pumpkin rice. Soon be back. Yes, I'm gonna put some more ground season. So what I'm gonna do now, see my rice pot a boil up, I'm gonna go wash my rice and put it in now. So stay tuned guys. Yeah guys, so I put in my rice now. You understand what I did, yeah? I don't cook no whole heap of rice today, because I'm alone. Yeah guys, so what I gonna do, meantime this a cook, I'm gonna put in my baked bean. Yeah guys, I'm gonna put in my baked bean now, so stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in my baked beans. Yeah. So a lot of bean guys, a lot of bean. Whole heap of bean. See that? Yeah. Guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make this just one cook down some. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. My brown stewed chicken and my pumpkin rice. Yeah guys, you see that? Yeah. So I'll soon be back. Look at my rice. Yeah. So that rice I go and cook. And see chicken over here, so yeah, don't know about this already. So stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Yeah, guys, I see that. And guys, me no put no carrot tonight, you see it? Yeah, I don't put any carrot. That one is bad. I don't lie if you tell her. Guys, stay tuned to when you in the plate here. Believe me, when you in the plate, it'll go wicked. Brown stew chicken and pumpkin rice. Yeah, guys, so my chicken done cook. So I gone, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I make the rice go and cook. And you're gonna see the finishing look when you in the plate. So stay tuned. You see the finishing look inside of the plate, guys. Yeah, that one I go bad. See my rice over this, so I go and steam. See my rice a steam. Yeah, so you don't know about this, go. I'll soon be back. Yeah, guys, so rice a steam out. Don't see it how it go already. Yeah, the next 5 minutes, we can take it off. So stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm a kitchen. This kitchen more smaller now. You understand what I did? Yeah, but it good still. I'm alone. Don't say things set up. Yeah, I feel more comfortable to you understand what I did. I'm alone there, so nobody now in a movie if you unbug me when I try if you make me video. Yeah, walk come in the kitchen, come stand up like you sound like a batty man. Me know the pan that you understand what I did. And they man nasty guys, me not lie if you tell you. Never you rent apartment or share apartment with people. You understand me I did them very nasty. Most of when them see where you do pan and them a go get to understand say yo they not up on your level so them a go and try cut them style and you understand me I did. Yeah, all the landlord are the same thing. Cause when I talk to she about certain things like she don't care, you understand me how they do, but me good. Guys, pot soon come off, so stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah, soon be back. Yeah, guys, I want to part me now lie. A long time I no cook baked bean and chicken to, believe me, So guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah, soon be back. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a pumpkin rice and a brown stew chicken. A brown stew chicken with baked bean Irish. You don't know about Nesco already. So stay tuned for your next video, guys. Yeah, I'm out.